Your next car could be the 2019 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. With less than 35,000 miles on the... Indulge your desire for the finest luxury and pulse-quickening performance in this distinctive S-Class. Meticulous craftsmanship unites with innovative tech, thrilling power, and groundbreaking engineering to bring you a spectacular automobile. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, front massage seats, panoramic roof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, navigation system, wood grain interior trim, power passenger seat, lane keeping assist. Follow your heart's desire in this sublime S-Class. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.